Hello everyone, you're welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. My name is Olivia, and by the special grace of God, I am the creative director of Olivia Apparels. How are you all doing? And hope you're staying safe. So in this video today, I'm going to be introducing this channel to you and what it's all about. Olivia Apparels is a unisex fashion brand. We deal on bespoke tailoring, both adults and kiddies, as well as ready to wear unisex clothing. This video is basically going to be short because it's just an introduction of this channel. So here on this channel, I'm going to be bringing to you sewing tutorials, pattern drafting, DIY. So it's basically a fashion illustration and DIY channel. Have you subscribed? Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos, because I'm going to be uploading new videos every Wednesdays and Saturday. Guys, that's 2 times every week. You don't want to miss that. Actually, I created this channel some months ago because I've really been having this desire to start my own channel, and due to some reasons I've not been able to start. I'm thinking about how do I start, how to get the equipment, how to do this, how to do that. Oh, do I have courage to even start? And whenever I'm cutting or sewing or drafting, I always imagine myself teaching or explaining to someone what I'm doing and how to do it, and I really want to do this on screen. That's why I'm here today. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. This channel promises to be very interesting, interactive, fun. Yeah, fashion is fun. There is fun in fashion. Okay, support my efforts, support your girl, support this channel to grow, please. I need you to grow this channel with me. Thank you for subscribing. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, bye.